Today we're going to be working on solving fractions or converting fractions. This can be a little confusing for some kids because fractions are one thing, division is another. Both very easy, but when you put them together it's a bit confusing. The way I've always explained it to my students is that a fraction and a division sign are really the same thing. Your numerator and denominator, as you see here, numerator, denominator, are really just the big dots of a division sign. Okay, there's your division sign. So when you see a fraction, it means divide. So 1 over 2, or 1/2, means 1 divided by 2. So over here, we'll do 1 divided by 2. 2 does not go into 1, so that gives us 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 1 minus 0 gives us 1. What do? We have to add a decimal. Let's carry this line out a little further and put in a 0. Bring down our 0, and we have 10. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 2 gives us 10. And 10 minus 10 gives us 0. So the answer we're left with is 0.5. So 1/2, or 1 divided by 2, is equal to 0.5. Let's do another one, a little more tricky. Here we have 3/4, or 3 over 4. In this case, remember your numbers are really just your division dots, okay? Fraction means divide. So 3/4 means 3 divided by 4. All right, 3 divided by 4. 4 does not go into 3, so that gives us 0. 0 times 4 is 0. We subtract 3 minus 0, and that gives us 3. All right, so now we're going to have to add a decimal and bring down our 0. That gives us 30. 4 into 30 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. All right, in order to subtract this, we're going to have to borrow. So 0 becomes 10, 3 becomes 2. 10 minus 8 is 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0. All right, let's use our next 0. Bring it down. That gives us 20. 4 goes into 20 5 times. 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 minus 20 is 0. So our answer that we're left with is 0.5. So 3/4, or 3 over 4, is equal to 0.75. Okay?